I love that view of the rain, but I will say, I love this view right here even more. We have had the precious Mariah here for a little over a month now, and we've done so much work. Rewiring the new taillight, taking care of the new exhaust, all new fuel lines, fuel shutoff valve that we installed, nibby carburetor tucked away in there. For those of you wondering, it's the PE22, performing very well with our 108 main jet. Pilot jet is still the same stock one that came in the carb. Moving up here, we added a little phone mount. Nothing too crazy, it just clips onto the handlebars up here. It's been very stable, very innovative, and very useful. We've been putting some miles on her going back and forth to work. We're now up to 817 miles on the dash. She's performing great. I'm very satisfied with her. Like I said, I've owned her a little over a month now. I got the bike originally for 950 bucks. $950 buy. Would I do it again? Heck yeah, I would. Cheap transportation, full tank of gas for $4. It really doesn't get any better than that. I mean, really, the worst thing that could happen is you lose your tag like me. This is what's left of my license plate. When we did that 60-mile-per-hour test run about a week ago, yeah, tag checked out. She is looking flawless. I think our next mod might be changing out the shifter. I'm starting to rust a little bit from the elements, so I want to keep her looking clean and pristine, so we might swap that out. And we're also looking at doing some new grips and maybe a nibby throttle cable to go along with the carburetor. I did make a slight throttle adjustment this week as well. Ever since then, she's been flawless. I got no complaints whatsoever. So, just wanted to give you guys a little update on the bike. I did mention we have a new bike coming to the channel. Not gonna tell you what it is, but I'm gonna let you guys figure it out. So, I got this nice bright yellow shock here in front of me, and I'm not going to give it away yet what we're doing with that shock. Here soon you guys will see just exactly what this shock is going on and what it's for. Just stay tuned. If you're really interested, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe, so that way when I release the build, you get a notification from the jump, and that way you can stay tuned, because I'm telling you right now, this is going to be a huge build. I'm super excited, and I really hope you guys stay tuned every week, because the videos that I'm about to drop of this build are going to be ecstatic. Now, we are not getting rid of the Grom clone. Mariah is staying here on the channel. She's not going anywhere. I love seeing her on the channel. I love working on her. I love riding her. Fun bike. If you got the money to go get you a Grom clone, or even a Grom, just go get you one. Go get you one. I don't care if you have a 1000cc sport bike in your garage. Go get you one. These things are light, nimble, take corners like that, and you can have plenty of fun. So, you guys stay tuned, and here soon, once I get a few more components. I'll let you guys know exactly what's about to be going down in this garage and what'll soon be parked next to Mariah. Is it just one bike build? Or is it two? Stay tuned.